Welcome back to another episode of Yankee Liv'n. Brad here. And well, got a short little video here. I got to do a couple chores down back here, and I hope this shaky camera, I'm not too into the, holding the camera out on the end of my arm thing and all that, but hey, I'll do my best here. I've got a couple problems down back, no big problems, but I want to get them rectified. We'll take you down back there. Plus, we got this little thing around in here in Maine called, mud season. And I'll explain that a little bit. Well, I don't have to explain it, I'll just show it to you. This area here is the old rooster bachelor pad and whatnot, and I'm going to open it up. I have a temporary fence gate. My New Hampshire Reds come out of the back side of that coop. Well, that's not a coop, that's just a shelter area to keep their food and water dry. The coop's in off to your left, and well, as you can see, this area in here is kind of muddy and stuff. It's starting to dry a little bit better, but this area out here will dry a lot quicker, and I'm going to open it up so they can stray in around here, get used to it and whatnot. I've got to open this coop up here, the bachelor pad, and clean it out and do some various different things. So anyways, let me get at it, and we'll catch you in a bit, guys. What do you say, Mrs. White? Alright, well, I'll let them be here for a bit. Let them get used to this new area out here. Actually, when they were all little chicks, they were in this area out here. So, sometimes you wonder what goes through a chicken's brain. Do they remember that? I doubt it. Alright guys, here's the question of the day. After going through a winter, starting to come into spring, if you can call it that, how many of your guys' barns kind of look like this? I'll just kind of scroll across here and whatnot. It's cold and whatnot, and you're in the middle of a project and you just throw this there and throw that there and whatnot. Well, got to clean this all up. See that window in behind there? I collect those windows from a local glass company that normally throws them out, might have a seal failure or whatnot. They make great coop windows and even runs that you want to block off but yet have a little light come through and whatnot. How many of you are brave enough out there to show some pictures of, your springtime barns and how they look now? And I don't want to see any of those barns that are all neat and tidy and all that kind of stuff. I want to see some of those ones that are, well, need a little bit of tidying up, you might say. So anyways, hey, I'm going to bring this one to a close. Until next time, guys, wherever you are in your neck of the woods, be it morning, noon, or night, I hope you all have a great one. Take care now, and God bless. Hey, and don't forget to say something down in the comments down below about your barns and the mess and all that kind of stuff. And hey, don't be afraid to hit that old thumbs up button down there too. I'm out of here. How about you, Red? You gonna help me clean? Guess not.